We are a Bangalore-based architect-led design and development firm. We're coming up with a unique concept in Hyderabad that's called earth sheltered homes. We are very well known for our quality. We are known for our architectural designs. We are a little over 17-year-old company in Bangalore. We have completed 20 plus projects. 19 of them are in Bangalore, one in Pune. This is our first project here. What we are trying to do is something which Hyderabad has never seen till now. It comes with an earth sheltered home wherein the entire roof of the building is covered with greenery. All the living spaces on the ground floor opens into the central courtyard, and like the dining, living, kitchen and the bedrooms. Added to that, there are 3 different gardens in each home. The central courtyard, there's a garden, private garden for the children's bedroom. The master bedroom will have its own private garden. The unique advantage at Total Environment would be, first is that we don't outsource any of our work. We do everything in-house. The second very important thing is that all these homes are totally customizable based on the client's requirement. We do it through our online portal called eBuild, wherein you can sit anywhere in the world and customize the home as per your requirement. These homes has a lot of connect with nature, all our Total Environment apartments. This is our first project here. We will be coming up with more projects. These are fully furnished and fully customized homes. Price starts anywhere between 3.8 and upwards. Today there's a lot of crowd here. We can see a lot of activity happening, and a lot of people visited our stall as well. I think we are expecting good positive response tomorrow as well. Probably Saturday to Sunday is when we can actually expect a crowd. See, Hyderabad is always been the central of Andhra Pradesh, be it the Telangana or the United Andhra Pradesh. Even after separation of Telangana, I don't think Hyderabad would have an effect in itself. Prices in Hyderabad might not fall. That's my feel. I'm not sure.